Does this look familiar? Picking a fuel cap up off the floor after a frantic pit stop in an endurance race. Well, I've got a tool that can save you time and you won't ever have to deal with this again.
Meet the Kart-Cap, a quick fill fuel cap with no unscrewing, no hassle, just fuel and go. Pit stops go from 20 seconds plus to just a few. That's a free position every single stop. And as you can see on screen, it is possible to do 2 fuel stops for every 1 fuel stop compared to a traditional cap. The Kart-Cap is £120. £120 for a fuel cap sounds like quite a lot, but what is halving your pit stop time actually worth to you? In endurance racing, that could be the difference between winning or completely missing out on the podium.
So if you do endurance racing without one of these, you are going to be the team that is going to lose out. Don't be that team. Go to the link in the description and buy one of these today. You will not be disappointed. Thank you. Goodbye.